Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about the Cronos ecosystem. And I'm going to be talking to you guys specifically about Cronos because this is the key for the Crypto.com's CRO coin price to go up. Cronos development in this ecosystem is the most essential. And I've got some really good news for you guys today. I found this very interesting chart to get an idea of how successful Cronos is right now, specifically in Web3 gaming, which a lot of people think is going to be a big part of Web3, a big part of some of these chains. And at the end of the day, developers that are looking to build, I think you're going to get gamers first. As the gaming gets bigger, more people will start building more applications on it. I think it's kind of like the first frontier, no pun intended, for building in a big way on some of these chains where regular people might start getting into crypto. So let's take a peek at Cronos here. And I'll take you guys on a little overview of where Cronos is at today and what's going on and why I'm so excited, guys. If you like the content, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm doing 5 videos every single day for you guys and a lot of giveaways to come for loyal members and subscribers on our channel. So make sure you check it out. You can become a member in the link in the description down below if you want to see that as well. Now, what you guys need to know is, and we talk about this, guys, but you got to frame it up. Cronos is not the biggest project out there right now. In fact, you look at $320 million locked up versus Binance's $3 billion. It is 10x smaller than the Binance Smart Chain, okay? Versus Ethereum, it is about 100x smaller, almost like 80x smaller than Ethereum. Ethereum is the biggest. It's got the network effect. But then you got to start asking the question this. Well, how are all these doing and what's the future projection for some of these chains looking like right now? Well, it's looking pretty good for Cronos because we've seen partnerships. We've seen them talk about partnerships with Atari, with, I believe, Activision might be one. Don't quote me on that. But they've had a lot of really big different groups that they've actually partnered with. You see big game companies talking with Cronos and announcements being made. So that's very exciting. But let's look at this really quick, guys. So Polygon and Cronos, and this was such a cool chart that I want to share with you guys. Polygon and Cronos were the most popular chains for new games in 2023. Let's look at this, guys. 13% of all the games added were on Polygon. 13% as well were on Cronos. Polygon has some much higher market cap than Cronos. Cronos coins much smaller in terms of market cap. And I'd like to see Cronos gain on Polygon in the next bull market, and I think there's a lot of opportunities for Cronos to do that. I think the advantage that Polygon has is it's more associated with Ethereum as a layer 2, while Cronos is its own thing and interacts with Ethereum. So it stands a chance, but it's going to be very interesting to see. 13% of the games built on Polygon, 13% on Cronos. Look at the rest. 8% on Ethereum. Now remember, guys, Ethereum's total value locked up is like 80 times more than Cronos, but Cronos has double the game development going on, which is very interesting to see. Likely because of the low fees, because of all the development tools. You know that Google Web Services, Amazon Web Services are partnering up with Cronos to make it easy for building. And I think this is some of the reasons, guys, that we see Cronos getting a lot of things being built on it right now. Arbitrum, Binance only at 4%. Cronos is actually 4 times bigger, well, about 3 times bigger than Binance in terms of its game building that's going on the chain. This is really good to see. And look at all the other chains. It's actually a very significant number. And this goes to show you guys that this is going to be a big deal. Eyeball Games was a big story coming for Eyeball Pool. That was a big deal. And there's been so many other ones for Cronos that have been so exciting. They just got done with the hackathon event in South Korea. They're attracting more developers. They've got all these different programs for money, grants to incentivize developers to come over and build on Cronos. And you can see that they are having a lot of success right now. This is very good for the price of CRO. This is going to prove to be bullish for this project over time. And Bitcoin is moving into a bull market, guys. Right now, we're kind of consolidating right around about 29,000. I think we could get down to 27,500, possibly even to 25K in August and September. So don't be surprised if you see CRO come down that way as well. But at the end of the day, guys, look at all the development that's going on in the Cronos ecosystem, the building they're doing for Web3 and gaming, which I believe is the gateway to more development, more building. Eventually, I'm a believer that we'll have a decentralized Uber built on Cronos, built on Ethereum, built on all these different chains. And the chains that grow faster and get more market share will eventually, I think it will shock people. I think Cronos will shock people. I think that there's going to be a lot of competition in the space. It's not going to be like a one chain gets all, but the chains that are working the hardest right now, I believe will gain the most market share. And that is excellent for the Cronos coin. We believe in a dollar CRO here. Heck, I believe in a $5 CRO, possibly even in the next bull market, possibly something I'm looking out for. And these are some of the reasons, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace.